Corruption is pervasive at all levels of government in Iraq. In 2021, President Barham Saleh said that $150 billion of oil money had been smuggled out of Iraq in corrupt deals since the 2003 invasion. From 2003 to 2018, Transparency International's Corruption Perceptions Index has ranked Iraq on average as 162 out of 180 countries, starting at a record low of 113 in 2003. Iraq reached an all-time high of 178 in 2007. Then came down slightly. Political parties and public servants are considered corrupt, and petty corruption is highly institutionalized in Iraqi society. Corruption is considered an obstacle for doing business in Iraq, and red tape and inefficiency continue to persist. Government contracting is an area reported to be affected by high levels of illicit activity, and public contracts are often awarded to companies connected to political leaders. Investors may come under pressure to take on well-connected local partners to avoid bureaucratic hurdles. Corruption in Iraq is endemic, systemic, and the main threat to Iraq's stability after the defeat of ISIS. In an Al Jazeera investigation, residents of Hatia, a neighborhood in Baghdad, alleged severe corruption in the construction sector. The neighborhood has experienced a construction boom since the 2003 invasion. Despite the many construction infractions, only a fraction of the revenue from government fines reaches the state treasury. Iraqi civil servants go around the neighborhood to inspect construction sites. When they spot wrongdoings, such as an extra floor in a building, an agreement is struck with the developer. The public official takes a bribe and in return, the state employee reduces the fine. The contractor pays the ticket and continues the project. Even if the builder pays in full, the fines are too small to deter construction companies when compared to the lucrative construction sector. Iraqi dissatisfaction with corruption boiled over with large protests in 2018 and again in 2019 as part of ongoing protests, of which corruption in Iraq is one of the main causes, among several. Corruption in Iraq and subsequent ongoing protests of 2018 and 2019 resulted in then resignation of Prime Minister Abdel Abdul Mahdi on November 30, 2019. He was replaced by Mustafa al-Kadhimi in May of 2020. A 2013 survey by Transparency International indicated that a majority of Iraqis were dissatisfied with the government's efforts in fighting corruption. In 2019, over 80% of Iraqis were concerned about worsening corruption at the highest levels of government.